Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on Gastromania. Today's recipe will be Pineapple Prawn Curry. This recipe is a Nyonya recipe that adds a sour and fruity twist to conventional curry, making it a really good appetizer dish. This recipe also requires the use of my Rempah recipe from before, so if you have some extra stock from before, this recipe will be extremely quick to make. Without further ado, let's get right in. For this recipe, you will need one ripe pineapple. Ripe pineapples will start to turn yellow on the skin and they will emit a strong sweet smell from the base of the pineapple. Cut the pineapple into small pieces. We will also need about 400 grams of prawns. Just devein the prawns, no need to remove the shells. Next, we have 1 stalk of lemongrass. Bruise them slightly at the white part. And 2 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. Remove the hard stalk at the center of the kaffir lime leaves. Then slice the kaffir lime leaves into very thin slices. We also have 50 grams of tamarind paste. Add about 50 to 75 grams of water into the paste to dilute the paste. Afterwards, remove the tamarind seeds using a strainer or just using your hands. You will need to press hard using a spoon to extract the juices from around the seeds, or you can just use your hands to make it really fast. And what is Southeast Asian curry without coconut milk? We will need about 100 ml of it. Next, the ingredients for the rempah. We have 150 grams of shallots, 5 cloves of garlic. These 2 ingredients have to be blended in one paste and the rest in another paste. 5 large red chillies. They have to be deseeded. A few bird's eye chilies. You can add more if you prefer a spicier sambal. Next, we have 25 grams of galangal. $25 grams of turmeric. 6 candlenuts. 35 grams of dried chillies. You will have to deseed them and soak them in water later on. Three stalks of lemongrass. We only need to use the white part and cut them finely. $10 grams of belacan. Dry toast the belacan and grind it finely. And let's get cooking. First, we have to prepare the rempah. Add a little oil into a wok. Fry the shallot garlic paste until it gets fragrant. Then, add the remaining ingredients that have been blended into another paste. Once the rempah darkens and the chili oil is forced out, add the tamarind juice. Mix evenly, then add the coconut milk. Afterwards, add the bruised lemongrass. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add about 300 ml of water to dilute the curry. Then add the pineapples into the curry. Add about 2 tablespoons of gula melaka to add a sweet flavour to it. Then add the kaffir lime leaves. Mix everything evenly and remember to taste and adjust the curry to your liking. If the curry is too thick, add more water. Cover the wok and boil it for about 10 minutes to allow the taste from the pineapples to develop into the curry. After 10 minutes, uncover the wok. Add the prawns in. We only need to boil them for about 3 minutes. Do not boil them for too long, otherwise the texture of the prawns will become rubbery. The prawns are fully cooked when they curl up into a C shape. And our curry is ready to serve. You may also add some cilantro as garnish while serving to add more color. This dish smells extremely appetizing because of the sweet and sour fruitiness coming from the pineapples. A perfect appetizer dish for any dinner. Try it today! And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this pineapple prawn curry recipe, do give this video a like. It goes a long way in supporting this channel. Subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for our weekly updates if you have not. And I'll catch you in my next video.